Ever yawn just because someone else did? There's real science behind this bizarre reflex. Yawning isn't just about being tired, it's a brain-cooling mechanism. When we see others yawn, our brain's empathy circuits light up. Even dogs catch yawns from humans they trust. Seriously, children under 4 don't yawn contagiously. It starts once they develop empathy. Psychopaths are less likely to catch yawns due to lower emotional connection. Hearing a yawn can trigger one too. It's not just what you see. Some scientists believe it's an ancient group survival instinct, syncing alertness. Like, subscribe, and comment if you yawn during this video, because chances are you totally did.